Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Maisarah Azzahra Yacob. I am a student from class 7, student ID 2020495166. My lecturer is Madam Umi Kalsum Abdul Karim. So for my presentation topic, I choose the depletion of ozone. Okay, let's move on to the contents. Here there are 4 contents. The first one is the definition. The second one is the causes. What caused depletion of ozone? The third one is the consequences. I will explain detail about the effects for living things caused by depletion of ozone. And the last one is the solution. What should we do to stop this and how should we do it? Okay, the definition of ozone depletion. Ozone layer depletion is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere caused due to the released chemical compounds containing gases, bromine or chlorine from the industries or other human activities. All of you must be wondering what is exactly ozone layer. Okay, let me explain. Generally, we know that the sun emits harmful radiation known as UV rays or ultraviolet rays. But between the sun's harmful UV rays, there lies an invisible pale blue protective shield that can protect us from the harmful radiation by the sun. This pale blue protective shield also called the ozone layer. But how was the ozone layer made? Okay, some oxygen molecules that contain 2 atoms absorbed energy from the sun's UV rays and split to form a single oxygen atom. Then, this single oxygen atom mixes with the remaining oxygen with 2 atoms to form a thin layer of oxygen gas with 3 atoms to form ozone layer. Okay, this is the better view, the better picture that can help you understand better of how the ozone layer was made. Okay, as you can see, there are oxygen molecule with 2 atoms, O2. Then they split into 2, leaving only 1 oxygen atom. So their single oxygen atom mixes with the other oxygen molecule with 2 atoms, and then they form 3 oxygen atoms altogether. So it forms O3. This layer is about 3 to 5 mm in thickness, surrounds the Earth, shielding and protecting the Earth from harmful radiation coming from the sun. So the ozone layer is O3. Next, the causes of depletion of ozone. What caused the ozone layer to deplete? The first one is chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, and nitrogen oxide. Okay, CFC came from a wide range of industrial and consumer appliances such as refrigerator, air conditioner, fire extinguisher, aerosol spray can. It billowed towards the ozone layer and destroyed the oxygen molecules, resulting the ozone layer to become thinner and depleting, which also known as the ozone hole. But the real question is how CFCs destroy ozone. Chlorofluorocarbons are chemical compounds made up atoms of chlorine, fluorine, and carbon. Once CFCs are already in atmosphere, scientists believe a chain of reactions occur that destroy ozone. Firstly, high-energy ultraviolet rays break chlorine atoms free from the CFC molecule. This free chlorine atom can react with other molecule in the atmosphere. Chlorine atom react with ozone molecule, it steals one of the ozone molecule, the oxygen atoms forming a molecule of chlorine monoxide. The remaining 2 oxygen atoms form an ordinary oxygen molecule. Lastly, chlorine monoxide reacts easily with single oxygen atoms in the atmosphere, leaving a free chlorine atom that can destroy more ozone. Scientists also estimate that 1 atom chlorine can destroy as many as 10,000 ozone molecules. Okay, here is the more detailed explanation and picture to help you understand better. So as you can see, a chlorine atom will break free from the CFC molecule by high energy electroviolet rays. And then ozone molecule will mix with the free chlorine atom. And then the chlorine atom will steal one oxygen atom and then leaving two oxygen atoms, and then it will form the chlorine monoxide, and then it will mix with the one single oxygen atom, and after that it will leave a free chlorine atom that can destroy more ozone. These steps will be repeated until more of ozone layer are destroyed. Okay, now the effect of depletion of ozone. What are the consequences due to depletion of ozone layer? Ozone layer depletion will increase the amount of UVB that reaches the Earth's surface. For human, an increase in UVB rays means a higher risk of skin cancer, eye cataracts, and blindness. For plants, UV rays can affect plants negatively. UVB rays can mean smaller leaf size, decreased plant growth, and lower quality crops for human. Last but not least, the solution to depletion of ozone. What can we do to help preventing ozone from deplete? Well, actually, there is nothing we can do to actually stop the ozone from deplete, but there are some things that we can do now as a human being to help our Earth. Firstly, we can spread awareness about its harmful effect amongst our friends and family. Second one, we can replace old refrigerator and old air conditioner with a new one and dispose the old ones properly. The third one is we can use air conditioner or refrigerator that contains HCFC, hydrochlorofluorocarbon. It contains hydrogen. HCFCs break down easily in atmosphere than CFCs does. HCFCs have less ozone depletion potential, so less global warming. That's what we can do to help our Earth.